Ayan mga chong, may na-receive tayong love letter from Department of Transport. So ito yung basically vehicle registration. So we're just being reminded na we have to register our car. So yan, comparable sa Philippines, mas mahal siya. Definitely mas mahal compared sa rates sa Philippines. Before, if I remember it right, for a sedan, around nasa 7,500 pesos yung binabayaran natin. Pero ano pa yun, non-appearance. Kasi may kakilala ako sa Philippines na nagpaparegister ako, non-appearance na. Around 7,500, 7,800 yung binabayaran ko. So ito, although meron kang option na you can pay 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months para hindi masyadong mabigat. Although syempre kung if you'll pay 12 months, mas nakamura. So rough estimate lang, for 3 months around $272. May breakdown siya. May GST, license fee, insurance, and so on. Ang total for 3 months is 272. Yung insurance ito, bukod pa yun sa comprehensive insurance. So 272. So roughly, do the math, around $38, around 10,000 in Philippine pesos for 3 months only. Kung 6 months, around 528. And kung 12 months, 1,029 AUD. So kung 6 months, that's roughly around 20,000 pesos. Kung 12 months, 1,029, that's around 39,000. So yeah, ano siya, definitely mas parang more than 4 times, 5 times higher compared dun sa Philippines rate. Or although yung alam ko is for sa Philippines is sedan yun, around 7,500, 7,800, if I remember it correctly yung binabayaran ko. So I'm not sure with other cars. So yun, anyway, I can pay naman for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months para distributed. So may option ako na hindi na staggered, kumbaga. Yan. So I can just pay online. Hindi ka na kailangan pumunta sa Department of Transport itself. So using my online account, I can pay there. So very convenient siya. So hindi na yung you have to go to Department of Transport itself.